Alright friends, in this small lecture I wanna show you how to point your domain name, in my case it's heducate.org, to my IP address, this IP address here, so I can access my server using the name and not the IP. Just go to GoDaddy again and be sure to go to your domains, and let's select my domain heducate.org and click on Manage DNS. This will open the DNS zone editor. Alright, this is my DNS management zone, and just go to the first A record here and edit this record and just set the IP address here of your server. Let's go to my server here and let's copy this IP, or you can simply copy it from DigitalOcean if you want, and paste it here and click on save. Very nice. So now our server is pointing to this IP address. This domain is pointing to this IP address. Very simple. Now we can use heducate.org to access my server. But if you remember, I named my server as mail.heducate.org. So we have a subdomain we want to point also to this IP. Simply click on add, select a record and enter your subdomain, which is mail, and just enter your IP address also here in the same way, so our subdomain is pointing also to my IP. Click on save now, and that's it. Now we have our main domain and my subdomain is pointing to my VPS server IP address. Now just give the DNS migrations maybe up to 24 hours to update these records. It may take only 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but just keep in mind it may take longer time, about 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, to fully migrate your records. After migration, you will be able to access your server using the domain name. I will pause the video and come back when the migration is finished. Okay, if you want to test if your domain is mapped or not, just go to a website called ping.eu and we have an online ping utility. Just click on it. Now enter your domain name here, heducate.org in my case, and click go. And you can see now we have the IP address of our VPS server. So the migration is finished. Let's check our subdomain also, which is mail.heducate.org. Click on go, and very nice. Our main domain and my subdomain mail.heducate.org is mapped now to my VPS IP address. So let's copy this and paste it here instead of my IP address. Remove everything now and click enter. You can see now it's accessing my server. But again, it says the connection is not private. This is because we did not install the SSL certificate yet, and we are accessing our server for the first time using the domain name. Click advance, proceed, and awesome. Now our server is mapped to my domain name and we can connect using the name instead of the IP. Very nice. Let's log in again, and awesome. In the next lecture, we will fix the security problem by installing an SSL certificate, a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt Authority.